All right, this question here, I got a couple questions about it, and it is a bit tricky because it's really not simplified into a form that is using integers. So we could clear all these decimals out and alleviate a lot of problems if we do that by multiplying by, we'd have to multiply by 100. Okay, so let's just do that. So we got 300x squared minus 180x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now we've got our a, b, and c. We can use the quadratic formula for that. Why not? So negative b, so negative and then minus minus, so that's going to be 180 plus or minus the square root of 180 squared, and that comes out to 32,400 minus 4ac. So 4 times a times c, I can do that with mental math here. Well, it would be 4 times 300, that's 1,200 times 3, so minus 3,600. All over 2a, and 2 times a would be 600. Okay? So when I simplify this square root here, I get 180 plus or minus the square root of 28800 all over 600. And I want to see if I can factor out perfect squares. And then it'll help me simplify it. So 100 factors out of here. So 180 plus or minus the square root of 100 is 10, right? So 10. We still have 288. I might not have done this the most efficient way. I might have been able to skip a step there. Any perfect squares? 144 is another one. So square root of 144 is 12. Let's rewrite one more. 180 plus or minus 10 times the square root of 144 is 12. 144 times, so there's still root 2 left inside. Got 600 here. Okay. Let's switch to a different color. We're simplifying. So 180 plus or minus 120 root 2 all over 600. So we're looking for common factor we can simplify here. Well, common factor, I'm thinking 60, right? 60. So 60, so that we'd have 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 all over 10. Okay? And there's no common factor left, so that's it for that. Let's see if we can estimate what that would be. So we've got 3 plus 2 root 2 over 10. And when I get that, my calculator here, that's approximately 0.582. So if I'm round to the nearest tenth, that'd be approximately 0.6, right? And then we've got 3 minus 2 root 2 over 10, which is approximately 0.017. So if I round to the nearest tenth, that's actually rounds to 0. All right.